What's up, guys? Welcome to today's boot coverage. Today we're going to talk about Team Group's new products, and boy, we have something quite interesting for you today. New RAM kits, new SSDs, M.2 NVMe. We have also external drives and all the other cool stuff. So I don't talk too much and go into nonsense. Let's take a look closer and check out all the other products that we have today. Let's start with something familiar. Here we have T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 8 to 96 GB kits up to 8200 MHz, and AMD Expo certified Deltas as well, 8 to 96 GB kits up to 6000 MHz, coming in black and white color options. Next, something completely new but still familiar, we have T-Force Extreme ARGB DDR5, so from DDR4 to DDR5. We have 16 to 96 GB kits and speeds going from 6400 to 8266 MHz in Narvik black finish. To give you more information, trailblazing light, accentuated design, gorgeous with a soft aurora-like glaze. We have elegant black beach sand aluminum alloy, 2mm durable heat spreaders. They even look good when you turn off the RGB, so basically you can choose what you want with the software. But wait, there is more. There are actually extreme DDR5 memory kits without any RGB lights, also in full Narvik black design and an awesome metallic T-Force logo. Let's head over to AIOs. Now, this year they presented loads of new AIOs in the Siren series. So for starters, we have T-Force Siren GA360 ARGB CPU all-in-one liquid cooler, which has 7th gen Acetec V2 pump, supports AI-controlled PWM to direct balancing of operational temperature, and entirely lead-free manufacturing process for environmentally friendly peace of mind. Now, what might interest you is the T-Force Siren DP360 with an LED screen which shows thermals and much more. Then we head over to T-Force Gaming A2 memory card, which is compatible with Switch, and the MP44S M.2 PCIe 4.0 SSD for Steam Deck. Next in line, T-Force Cardea Z5 series Gen5 M.2 SSD with 3D TLC NAND flash, capacity of 1, 2 and 4 terabytes and some insane speeds. Alongside we have also the Z4 series coming in capacities of 250, 500 gigabytes, 1 and 2 terabytes Gen 4. For SSD cooling we have something new, and they are very proud of these ones. We have 4 new types of active fan cooling and outstanding design on the heatsinks, so these are T-Force Airflow 1, 2 and 3 coolers. In addition to that, we also have an interesting cooler that goes on top of your RAMs and kinda dissipates the heat from them. Quite outstanding and a bit interesting design, I would say. Let's switch from T-Force to T-Create, where we also have refreshment and new products. Expert Smart Memory Card, SDXC UHS 2V90 and U3V60 memory cards, Expert USB 4.0 portable SSD and an NFC portable external SSD. Except for Classic and Expert, now we also have a Master ECC memory modules server grade. You're already familiar with the Classic and Expert ones, coming in 2 varieties, 2 different colors, and we already covered ones on the channel. But regardless of that, I wanted to show you them as well, just once again to refresh your memories. Finally, to top it all up, we have new DP2000 external SSD, we have C175 eco-friendly USB stick and 231. While we also have loads of additions to the micro SD XC cards as well. Finally, Team Group's MP44, which capacity goes up to 8 terabytes. Now it was quite interesting to go through all the products and to see and to take actually the booth tour on Team Group's booth this year at Computex 2023, which was quite insane, and I really did enjoy every single minute of it. I hope you enjoyed it as well. I hope you enjoyed the showcase of the new and awesome Team Group products. You'll be seeing them in more details on my channel when we touch base with reviews. Thanks and stay tuned!